Hey everybody, Captain here from Doghouse Racing. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to change motorcycle tires yourself. Hope you enjoy it. It's not quite this easy. So the first thing to do is to let all the air out of the tire and take the valve stem out. Next thing you want to do is break the bead on the tire. I use a bead breaker for this. And because of the small wheels, I usually have to put some boards on here. And you just get this close to the edge of the wheel and push it down. You just work your way around. Side's good. Check the other side. So the bead is loose on this. Then we'll work on getting it off the wheel. I'm pretty liberal with the Windex around here. And use a wheel protector and one of the tire irons. Get that started. Well, that was easy. Tires have this directional arrow on it, so you need to be sure to get the tire on the wheel in the proper direction. So on this NSR wheel, the disc is on the right side, so the rotation is this way as the bike rolls. I'm not too concerned about protecting this wheel. It's already pretty chewed up and it's a race bike, so not super concerned about it. Confirm the direction, good. So then I'll put the valve stem back in and put air in it to seat the bead and then set the pressure. Now just put the valve stems back in. Now we're going to seat the beads on the tire to the rim. Basically, you just got to put high pressure air into it until you hear both beads pop. And make sure you keep your fingers out of here. Alright, now you can set your air pressure to whatever you want. Keep the other one. The rear is a little hard to get into the valve stem since the wheel's so small. Watch your fingers. All right, let's get that second bead. There we go. So these 12-inch tires are a little bit more challenging than larger tires. So even though this looked like it was kind of hard and took a little bit of effort, I mean it did take a little bit of effort. But my local shop where I bought the tires wants $60 per wheel if you bring the wheel in to do this work. So it's $120 and it took me, I don't know, half an hour, something like that. So you can do it yourself. Not a whole lot of really special tools, but if you want to save yourself some money, give it a go. Take care.